Imagine standing under the vast Arabian night sky, the full moon shining brightly above the desert dunes. Suddenly, before your very eyes, the moon splits into two, each half moving apart, leaving the people of Makkah in shock and disbelief. Some rub their eyes, thinking it must be an illusion. Others gasp in fear. How could such a thing happen? Was this a miracle from the heavens, or could there be another explanation? This incredible event, witnessed by many, was one of the greatest signs given to Prophet Muhammad, a moment that would be remembered for centuries. But what really happened that night? Let's uncover the truth behind the splitting of the moon. One night in Makkah, the disbelievers of Quraysh came to Prophet Muhammad and demanded a miracle, saying, "If you truly are a prophet, show us a sign from the heavens." In response to their challenge, the prophet, by the will of Allah, pointed towards the full moon, and suddenly, the moon split into two distinct halves. The two separate parts of the moon remained visible in the sky for a short while, with one half appearing on one side of the mountain and the other half on the opposite side. The people witnessing this astonishing event were left in shock. Some among them accepted it as a divine miracle, while others, despite seeing it with their own eyes, dismissed it as mere magic. The incident was recorded in the Holy Quran in Surah Al-Qamar. The hour has drawn near, and the moon has been split in two. But if they see a sign, they turn away and say, "This is continuous magic." 54. 1-2. This verse serves as a testament to the event, emphasizing that despite witnessing such a great sign, many disbelievers refused to believe. Several companions of the Prophet, including Abdullah ibn Mas'ud R.A., narrated this event in authentic hadith collections, confirming that it was witnessed not only by Muslims but also by non-Muslims present in Makkah at the time. Some historical reports suggest that travelers from distant lands, including parts of India, also recorded seeing the split moon. It is said that King Chakravarti of India, upon learning about the Prophet, investigated the event and later accepted Islam. Centuries later, modern scientists, including NASA researchers, have studied the surface of the moon and discovered deep rills and cracks. While some Muslim scholars suggest these could be remnants of the splitting, there is no definitive scientific explanation confirming or denying the event. The splitting of the moon remains one of the greatest miracles of Prophet Muhammad, demonstrating the power of Allah and serving as a sign for those who seek the truth.